The Swissklip HaloUV home disinfection device uses hospital-grade ultraviolet technology to significantly cut down germs, bacteria, and allergens on household surfaces and in the air. Its lamp design radiates in all directions, reaching into mattresses, pillows, carpets, and couches to tackle dust mites and lingering contaminants that normal cleaning often misses. In regular use, it noticeably freshens rooms by breaking down deep-seated odors from pets and everyday living, rather than just masking them with fragrance. Many users find that by reducing airborne irritants, the device can support easier breathing and more comfortable sleep, especially in bedrooms and small living spaces. The built-in timer with 4 preset cycles makes it simple to match disinfection time to room size, and the remote control means you can start a cycle and leave the area safely. Because it sanitizes without chemical sprays, disposable wipes, or replacement filters, the HaloUV offers a low-maintenance way to keep high-traffic areas hygienic throughout the year.